Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Blizzard account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application or open up your web browser and type in battle.net in the address bar and press enter. Once you are inside the battle.net homepage, just hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and click on login. You will now be taken into the login page where you can click on the can't login button, and now you will see the forgot password option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be allowed to enter your email address or your phone to reset your password. Type in either one of these and click on continue, and if you entered your email, you will be asked to check your inbox to enter the verification code. So just log into your email and you will find the security code. Just copy this code and paste it into the verification box and click on continue. You can now enter your desired new password for your account. After entering your desired new password, type it in once again for confirmation and click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, your password will successfully be updated and you can click on the login button and use your newly set up password to proceed with logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Blizzard account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.